In this video, we are going to talk about how can you too become a Guinness World Record holder. Hi, I'm Siddharth, 3 times Guinness World Record holder myself in skipping and a state level sea swimmer. First of all, it is very important for you to know why Guinness World Record is such a prestigious achievement. First thing first, World Record itself means that you are the only one in this world to do something with such level of skill sets that no one else can do. Secondly, it would make you mentally tough because obviously it takes a lot of passion, lot of hard work, lot of discipline to break such world records. And one more reason could be the recognition you will receive after breaking the record. Also, one thing which motivates me personally is there are many other big names of celebrities in Guinness World Records like Michael Jackson, Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, any other big athletes, David Goggins. And when you achieve something similar to them, it's automatically such a big motivation for you to achieve your further goals. So I started off as a swimmer and most of the medals you can see up there are of swimming. But then lockdown began. I was so disheartened by this because I was preparing for a national tournament, and when the lockdown began, surely all my efforts, my hard work went in vain. But then my coach said to start skipping just to maintain my fitness so that after lockdown ends, I can again start to swim. Because my main goal was and is always going to be to represent India in triathlon. And I practiced it so much that till age 11 I was already at the verge of breaking the world record. And when we started the procedure, which we'll talk about later, the Guinness replied us by saying that I am just of 11 years old and I can't break any endurance based records. Obviously this was disheartening and many other disheartening events happened in my life, but as soon as I turned 16, I broke one record, second record, third record, back to back, and also 2 more records which will be official soon. So I guess that was enough motivation for you to break the record. Now let's talk about the process which you all are waiting for. Few things which you need to take care of, that breaking a world record needs a lot of patience, like 8 to 12 months of patience for each record. So first thing first, you have to either check whether the record title you are attempting is already existing or you have to create one. For example, my record title was most backward skips over rope in 30 seconds. So it was already existing and the world record was in the name of some Japanese person who had done 148 skips. And for me to break that record, I had to do more than 148 skips. Wait, I'll show you the exact page if you're applying from mobile or laptop, whichever. So as soon as you open the Guinness World Record official website, which I'll put in the description box, you have to first log in or create an ID, and then you have to tap on the 3 buttons. After that, there'll be an option of apply where you have to click on it, and then you have to click on how to set Guinness World Record title. And after that, you have to click on the second option, which is the application process. After which, after you scroll down a bit, you'll find an apply now button where you have to click on. And then you have to search the record. Like in my case, most backward skips over a rope in 30 seconds if I want to break again, which I won't. Guys, please, someone break the record so that I can break it again. See, the record is on my name. So if I want to view the record first, then I have to tap on view record. But if I want to apply that for breaking that record, I have to click on the green button, which will then show me the green signal. Then you have to fill plenty of details according to your record. I won't go in detail in this. You can fill it by yourself. So now here comes the main process. After you fill the application, your patience is tested because it would take about 12 to 16 weeks, like 3 to 4 months, just so that they'll verify your application and then they'll go you a green signal or a red signal. Red signal means your application is rejected for some reason, and green signal means your application is accepted. If your application is rejected, don't worry, they will tell you the exact reason why they are rejecting your application, so that the next time when you fill the application, you can rectify it. But congratulations if your application is accepted, because now after your application is accepted, they'll send you a lot of details of evidences which will be required. So in my case, they required a lot of evidences like judges, cameramans, skip counters, then slow motion video, time lapse video, normal video of the entire thing, celebration photos, many things. It depends on what kind of record you are applying for. And now you have to collect all the evidence so that you can prove that you are already breaking the world record. After you submit all the evidence, they'll again tell you to wait for another 12, 16 and even more weeks. Like it took 5 months for my first world record to get verified. And also it took 1 more month for my certificate to get imported from London. So basically it took me 6 months for my record to get verified and another 4 months for my record application to get accepted. That means a total of 10 months for just achieving one world record. It's not just, but yeah, 10 months of patience is required. This is how you can become a world record holder. Also, you have to pay some charges, which is obviously if you are able to break a world record, it's fine to pay some charges, isn't it? So I'll end this video wishing you all the very best of luck. I hope you all achieve whatever you want to achieve, and I'm rooting for you. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe me and follow me on Insta. Also, don't forget to mention me when you break the world record. Until next time, stay safe, Jai Hind, goodbye. Where you'll find